I am currently nasa state ng pagiging calm, yung state na parang I feel like everything's going to be okay. And partly because earlier, nanood ako ng movie, which is the movie Patterson. And I was really bored throughout the movie. Like, pinipigilan kong makatulog. Because I don't even know what's happening in the movie. This guy wrote, writes poem and live yung routine niya everyday from Monday to Sunday and going back to Monday again. And everything may routine siya. Pagising sa umaga, he drinks coffee, punta sa bus station, drive, makinig sa mga tao na nakasalamuha niya. Go back home, ayusin yung mail, yung post mail, meet yung, I don't know if asawa niya or partner niya, but partner niya, igala yung aso, punta sa bar, then uwi, then repeat that same routine again. And after watching the movie, yeah, like after kung mapanood yung movie is, I felt strange kasi like nothing's really happening sa movie. And I even gave it ng 2.5 sa letterbox. But mga 30 minutes siguro after kung matapos yung movie, it's starting to make sense. Na maybe that's the whole point na content, yung pagiging content ni Patterson sa buhay niya is yun lang talaga. He never wished or he never desired to get out or pursue something na big, but stayed within sa kung ano yung gusto niya, what felt safe, and kung ano yung feeling niya na nararapat sa kanya. I mean, he has a partner, he has a job, he has a home, he has all this security, he has a community sa bar. And maybe that's all we need in life. Na we feel secured even sa mga simpleng bagay. You know, I've always dreamed big, like in this lifetime na I need na maging extravagant, na kailangan may ma-achieve ako sa buhay ko na great, na napakataas na antas. And this movie teach me something na option ang mabuhay ng simple, as long as it feels right para sa'yo. And I don't need all those things, great things. If I choose na mamuhay ng simple, I guess that's the point. Enjoy things, enjoy things.